This is problem number 25. So for number 25, notice that we have main method and we have a part method. And what's weird about this is that they both have the variable x. This is a signal to me that maybe I should be dividing this up and making separate variables for the separate x's. So since there's x in both of them, I should have a main x and I should have a part x for the part method. Where do you always start? Well, you always start in main. So let's go line by line, starting with main. Int x is 81. Which x are we talking about? Main x or part x? Well, we're talking about main x in this case, so we'll make that 81. Check. Now it asks us to call the method part. Which x should we plug in? Well, there's only 81, which is for main x. So we will plug that one in. That's supposed to be an 81. So I plug that in. Now, if I call the method, I have to go down to the method and plug that in. So 81 now becomes this value, which is this x. Now, is this x down here main x or part x? Well, this is part x. This is the method parts x. So now I have to complete the part method down here. So let's start at x equals x divided by 9. Is this x main x or part x? Well, this is in part, the method part, so it belongs to part. So 81 divided by 9 is 9, and that is my new value of part x. Did that one. Now I do system.out.print mallow x. So make sure that when you have output, output only goes in one place. So your output is mallow and then the value of x. Now, which x is it? Is it main x or part x? This is parts x. So I'm going to put 9 here. Check. Now I'm done. Once I've finished part, where do I go? Well, once I finish the method, I go back into main. I just finished part 80, the call to part. Now I go back to where I left off in main, which is the print line. So for printing, I print out marsh. And for this one, I have to print out an x. Now, is this x main x or part x? Because we're up here, this is main x. So this is 81. So my final output is mallow 9, marsh 81. And that is all for that one.